Quick grammar exercises. Make versus do. Make and do are often confusing. Here are two examples. I have to do my training every 2 days. I have to make a phone call. Use make for when you create or produce something. So we got create, produce, build, construct something. Use do for actions you must do, like your jobs or work, and for general activities, especially activities you repeat often. So, in general, we use do if it's like a task or a job. I need to do the laundry, I need to do the dishes. Um, Even if you have something very general and you have the words like something or anything or everything, it's okay to say do before that. Oh, I need to do something. Oh, I need to do everything in the house. So, guys, get that pen, pencil, and paper, and let's get ready to do some exercises and also your notebook, okay? Make versus do. Let's try. Complete with do or make. Number one, I told you to, it's smaller. I told you to make it smaller. Number two, I'll gladly it for you. I'll gladly it for you. I'll gladly do it for you. Number three, don't forget to it on time. It's important. Don't forget to make it on time. It's important. 4. I'll the dishes, you the laundry. I'll do the dishes, you do the laundry. Why? Because it's like an errand or like a house task that you must do. You're not making those things, you're not producing those things, you're not building those things, you're not constructing those things. Okay? And number 5, if I knew you were coming, I would have a dinner. So, a little tip, I would have made dinner. Why? Because you're building it, you're creating it, you're producing it. And usually with make, it goes with food and drinks. That's a little tip. Complete with do or make. Number 6. She everything for her father. She everything for her father. Now be careful because we have a she here. She is singular. So what do you think? She does everything for her father. 7. When I leave college, I want to business. I want to do business. Okay? It's an expression. Let's do business together. Let's do business. You are allowed to say, I want to create a business, I want to build a business, I want to make a business. That's okay. But a lot of people like to say, I want to do business. Now, number 8, can you me a cup of coffee, please? Remember what I said about food and drinks. Can you make me a cup of coffee, please? 9, I want to a special surprise for her birthday. I want to a special surprise for her birthday. So in this case, I'm going to go with I want to make a special surprise for her birthday because I'm creating it. Let's make a surprise for her. It's also an expression. 10. I wish I could it the way you just. I wish I could do it the way you just did. Did is in the past. Do is in the present. I wish I could do it the way you did. Now, I'm going to read the answers to you. Again, listen to these, and that way it goes into your head nicely. I told you to make it smaller. That was number one. Number two, I'll gladly do it for you. Three, don't forget to make it on time. It's important. Four, I'll do the dishes. You do the laundry. Five, if I knew you were coming, I would have made a dinner. Six, she does everything for her father. Seven, when I leave college, I want to do business. 8. Can you make me a cup of coffee, please? 9. I want to make a special surprise for her birthday. 10. I wish I could do it the way you just did. And remember, the I needs to be big. A little mistake here, okay? I needs to be capitalized. Now, thank you for your time. If you need any lessons, please reach out to me. I teach in a lot of different companies and businesses, and these exercises are exercises I give to my students to review. So it's really good to review this stuff. It's extra material that can help you. It's extra grammar. Again, a lot of people make mistakes with make versus do. So we make mistakes, we don't do mistakes, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now. Please give me a like, a comment, and follow me. Bye for now.